Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Yes. Excellent, my boy. Sin theta. എനിക്കറിയാം ക്രിസ്മസിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട്. എനിക്കറിയാം.
Hey guys, let's welcome back to today's grading section. We woke up and let's see what will happen in the open on this candle. Let's go. Wait. Wow, we pushed hard to that side. Let's see, guys. This is great. So these 2 hour drones we are pushing. So let's see if we can make some 5 minute gap and let's maybe if we can okay. Is a gap here? There is another gap here. Jinabara jinapati vita. What we happened here is we got a 4 hour inversion here on this candle right there. So most probably we need inversion upside to look for trade. So these 2 hour draws in the high time frame draws. So we will take this in no time. So after these levels got taken, we can plan to take trades to the downside. Here, these we can see that these are the key levels we have. We have this 5 minute 15 gaps sitting here. What a music, man. Beautiful. Okay, we took the London highs here on these levels. Let's see here also we took the London high, we took these zones. Great price action, great levels, great overall great. And took the 320 high here. We also took the 315 to 20 this high here also. So what we can expect is either of these levels to continue. So after this, they push upside. So let's see, like for a continuation, that's is more likely to happen because we left this liquidity here. So there is no need reason to wait for these levels to hit here. We deliver from this starting with. So let's look for a continuation. Let's look for something like this. If these draws are not yet taken, so after we involve this 4 hour gas, we are actually bearish. But since we get this aggressive move to the upside, let's hope for a reversal. Let's see if we can close without this region before we actually getting involved. Niyati Janara, Kuntari Nati Janara, Yugam Yugam Janu Bigori. Okay, so most probably what will happen here is we will deliver in this yellow zone and we will deliver. This is what most likely happen. Rejected from this level here. Maybe we can take this sitting liquidity here also. Let's look for the news also. Let's check here the news also. Let's see if we the news. There is a red phone news at 8:30. So you gotta wait for that. Most likely, what will happen is there is a news. That's all for something like this. Hello, you got you be forgiving. Not in Janata, not in Janata. You come, young coach. So the best thing to do is wait for the news, then act accordingly. So here we have 2 15 minutes gaps here. So and then and we submit liquidity here. Our obvious liquidity is not yet taken, so this is our very obvious liquidity. So hoping for something like this while taking this, or the since there is a news also. Well, so far I move like this. Maybe something like this also can happen. Taking out this 5 minutes also. But that is very rare. I mostly look for continuation in my opinion. That is better. Continuation is better in the current situation. So yoga, yoga, yoga. For another. Yenamana vina pipati vita. Yoga, 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 yoga. It's not in the sonata. Not in the sonata. Yeah, was this song also? Let's see. Yoga, yoga, yoga. Maybe a trade from here is better. Yeah, is better than from here. have this equity here. Yeah, we tap into that level. Let's see if we can do something about that. Look at that rejection, great. In my opinion, this is the best level to long. You're also going to close the 60-minute high, so let's see if we have some other levels to trade. So we have to long from here. See if we can have some chances to long. You have the rejection. You know. Yugam yugam yan koti koti nita. Everybody, that's good. Right. Now we are shooting launching free. Basically special things. For me, it's like it comes full circle because I started my career. Yeah, look at that. The 15-minute pose just closed. So it's really good to come back. Good to see you guys. We just tap into those 5 minutes. Wait. Wait for the 3 minutes. Let's see if this inversion is not strong enough to allow that I should take this or not. So let's take a chance. If it happens, I may take a trade on my real account. We deliver from the 50 minutes after taking the regular 2 minute. We come into the equilibrium of the 5 minute range. we are in this inversion of the 4-hour range, and is a very seven way for why. So let's see. Taking my decision in just what? Just 1 minute. Actually, it doesn't involve that all. Like the rejector from the Lord stuff. Now there is inversion. So not rates. Not trades that. But on my CMT broker at that, there's actually inverse. So they see. So actually in my trade, in my quantical broker, it actually inverse. It's showing inverse, but I don't want to take under it which gives a number higher. So because I have wound up at the trade, wound up, welcome back up, data. So don't want to take that. We may get a SMT of this level, so we can also plan something. If we get a SMT from here, we can plan a sell to this 5 minutes here. That is also a sort of plan. We get a SMT. We may take this high here. Yeah, we took this. So this is my break even zone here. See if we can. We get a great shot for to the downside. So this may be the best way we can get throughout the day will be capping with hot. Mhm. Yeah, it's maybe a good trade to take. Mhm. Yeah, finally, yeah, maybe. Madam. Yeah, definitely have a reason over to yeah, the right back to Sinhala is a pushing back or ground into confirmation center. Look at that. Okay. Seems like a thing to try. Sham 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 shi sha sham 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 sha shi sha shi sha shi sha 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 shi sha sha shi sha 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 shi sha 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 shi sha. Where is our next door? I don't have it. To the center of the kilometer of 50. Nice. Yeah, we have perfect rejection from here. Yeah, we will, in my opinion, we will reject from here. So we need. Ah, if now we are going to short this shit chest. I said, where should I fucking short? I have no idea. I have no idea what should. So I need to invest in this. Yeah. There's no way I'm going to take any trades here.
പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അതെന്താണ് അങ്ങനെ അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഹസ്ബൻഡ് എന്നൊരു വാക്ക് കേരളത്തിൽ ഫെമിലർ ആയി തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അത് പറയാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് പണിക്ക് കൂടെ എന്ന് നാട്ടുകാർ ചോദിക്കും. എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ആരും ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കുന്നതല്ലോ സാർ. ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചാണ് ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ചോദിച്ചില്ല, അതെന്റെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കും. പക്ഷെ എന്റെ വീട്ടിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കണക്ക് ചോദിക്കുമെന്ന് ഞാൻ തർക്കിക്കുന്നില്ല പോകും. ആ പക്ഷെ ഇത്ര പ്രൗഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഞാൻ എന്റെ ഭാര്യയുടെ ചെലവഴിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് കേരള സമൂഹം അംഗീകരിക്കാൻ കുറച്ച് സമയമെടുക്കും. എന്റെ തീരുമാനങ്ങളായിരിക്കും. സാറിന് എങ്ങനെയാണ് പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്? ഞാനൊരു അതെന്താണ് അങ്ങനെ സാർ? അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഹസ്ബൻഡ് എന്നൊരു വാക്ക് കേരളത്തിൽ ഫെമിലർ ആയി തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അത് പറയാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് പണിക്ക് കൂടെ നാട്ടുകാർ ചോദിക്കുന്നു. എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ആരും ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കുന്നതല്ലോ സാർ. ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ചോദിച്ചില്ല, അതെന്റെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കും. പക്ഷെ അല്ല എന്റെ വീട്ടിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കണക്ക് ചോദിക്കുമെന്നാണ്. ഞാൻ തർക്കിക്കുന്നില്ല പോകും. ആ പക്ഷെ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്.
Look at this, man.
അതെന്താണ് അങ്ങനെ സാർ? അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഹസ്ബൻഡ് എന്നൊരു വാക്ക്
Maybe I need to take this.
ഫെമിലർ ആയി തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അത് പറയാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് പണിക്ക് കൂടെ നാട്ടുകാർ ചോദിക്കും. എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ആരും ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കുന്നതല്ലോ സാർ. ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. എന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ചോദിച്ചില്ല, അതെന്റെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കും. എന്റെ വീട്ടിൽ ഞാൻ തർക്കിക്കുന്നില്ല പോകും. Okay, this is my impression of Prithviraj waking up from plastic surgery. Okay, this is my impression of Prithviraj. ये क्या तमाशा लगा रखा है तूने? ये तस्वीर
This is city price action. You can see these candles, small candles, very bad person. This type of market, what I experience is, it is better to take a shot if we make a 5 minute gap, 5 minute gap, and we trade into this 5 minute gap and take a shot. It's better in that way. So like this type of market is better to take longs with minimum consideration. We have played just look at this. We can't do anything here for short. We can only look for longs here. Maybe here, if we can get an impression of this level, we can take a shot after we try it out. Okay. Let's see if we can get this quick long here. Closing in 44 seconds, 40 seconds. See. I'm thinking to not going to take that long because look at that emotion. Not good. This week I only took one fully trade. Yesterday's trade was a 5 minute inversion. I got that in a break even. Later it pushed to TP. That is unfortunate, but I still respect my decision. I don't know whether I should take this or not. I am not interested to take this trade. So let's say even though we get this inversion here, look at this close. I don't like this close. Maybe we can take this on our demo trade, only demo trades. Okay, you're seeing 100 and buy. Let's see how it plays. Right, even here. And so it is a bad idea to take it long here. Straight up into this high here. तुझे ना बुरियों से तुझे ना बुरियों से राता के राचे कर रे रियाता कर दे तुझे ना बुरियों से what a music man beautiful तुझे ना बुरियों से This, I think this is the 4 hour exclusive. Yeah, that was a 4 hour exclusive. So it is not a bad draw. Oh, तुझे नाम बुरियों से तुझे नाम बुरियों से राधे कर दे फिर राधा कर दे तुझे नाम बुरियों से तुझे नाम बुरियों से राधे कर दे फिर राधा कर दे Lucera, Uribe, Lucera, Uribe. Look at the reason that I said that this may be a bad trade. Look at this. The SL hit. Look at that. That was a bad trade. We are very sure. So what is better? What the good news is we have better inversion level. Look at this. This is our first demo only demo nodes. So what we got here is we can push even more into this level. This will be a 55 level, and the 15 minute is going to form in few minutes, 2 minutes. So if we can get something like this, we can still take that as a draw. And so it's a chance that our bias was right, but we didn't get any trades in this price action. So to not get that demo trade in a loss, we have a chance to put our break even on this touch here. We are in this 5 minutes, so this is a better trade. We can get a inversion of this gap here. That will be a better trade. So that is a solid trade also. That will something like this bounce back. So that will be a great trade to have. Tuchena Mario, Tuchena Mario, Raja ke Raje Kirde, Guri Radha Tuchera Mario Mario Tuchera Mario Mario Tuchera Mario Mario Tuchera Mario Mario Radhe 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 Karde This is the 15 minutes. 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 This is a great rate. Let's see if we can get this one. Okay. This is a great rate actually. Let's look at the 2 minute also for a creative motion. Yeah, they have a 2 minute also. Let's see if which is the better one. Tu Mario Mario tu Mario Mario Raja ke Raja Raja Kurve Sundarata Karve Tu Mario Mario tu Mario Mario Radha ke Radha 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 Oh, tu c'era Mario, tu c'era Mario, Radha che I don't know actually what to do, what to do, what to do. Should we wait for the 15 minutes or so? I don't know. I am in a little doubt right now. Tu c'era Mario, but your right hand looks strong. Right hand looks strong here. The problem is, okay, we didn't get an emotion. Okay, this is a good trade, but we didn't get a emotion. This was the trade I was planning for, something like this. But the problem about this trade is we didn't get this inversion here. That is the only reason I didn't take this trade. That these equal highs look so solid also. We can take our full TP in 1 to 1, or we can hold it to here, and we can hold the last TP to here. This is the best target we can have. So break-even will be here. I didn't take this trade. I was waiting for an inversion. I didn't get that inversion. I didn't take this trade. So that's it. Let's see if we can. So we can get an SMD here. So the the best we got trade. We can take a trade from here, but that will be risky. Since we take the liquidity here, look at this. We can look for something like this, but this is risky. Hence we since we tap into this level, so let's hold that out for now. What better is, yeah, we clear the liquidity above, so we can push into our correct bias now. So let's wait, either wait for that. So we may have an assembly something like this. So best rate to take from here is a shot. So look at that how our bias is bouncing off there and there. So we are changing our bias accordingly according to our price action. That is the best thing we can do. Puchera Mario Mario Puchera Mario Mario Raja 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 Karate Raja Karate. Sundaranda Dana Dana Puttara Ra 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 ra. Ra 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 ro ra. Oh, ra 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 ra. We will form a training show. We formed a 3 minutes. Wow. Look at that bearish momentum. Since we formed at 3 minutes, we need to wait for that inversion also. Look at here. There is a 3 minute gap here. We need to wait for this inversion through. So maybe we can take a trade from this 3 minutes because that also looks solid from here. Look at that displacement. Look at that candle. Look at the US 500 chart. Why I didn't get only one trade on this week? Am I getting better or am I getting worse? Who knows? Single trade, one break, two break evens, like I think three break evens. Yeah, one on Wednesday, two on Thursday, no trades on Tuesday, anything. No trades on Monday, Tuesday one win, Wednesday one break even, Thursday two break evens, Friday no trades yet. Let's see, no 3 minute inversion. There is a question about this trade. Here we have SMG here. We are delivering from a high time frame key level. And if we can get a clean inversion, should we take a short from here? That is the only question we have in front of us right now. Yeah, I may take this shot because that looks good in 22 seconds. But not if we tap into the 5 minutes. 5 minute is my what? Break even. So 1, 2, 3, sell. I am on the sell on the live account, but we tapped into the 5 minutes, so I am in doubt right now. I don't know what should I do right now. Oh shit, man. I was in a little bit misconception. Let's keep our SL solid here. The reason here was we got the SMT, we got the displacement, we got the 3 unit inversion. Our break even is in this leg here. Oh, okay, I think we are good here. Yeah, we are good. We are not in the 5 minutes. We are good here. We are good. So my entry was here on this candle. My SL was, I think, on this candle high here. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, yeah, yeah. SL was here. On this candle high, my TP was 1 to 1. I think we are good. Let's see how this plays. Either of these levels was our, yeah. This is our break even on this candle here. That is a 5 minute gap here. So let's see. I think we are good. Yeah, now we need to put it on to break even because that's what our rule says. But I'm putting just above the SL for a $1 loss because maybe this entry level is a bit sensitive. Around here, I break in was around this level. Yeah, I mean like this for a $1 loss because yeah, now I am putting it into break even, exact break even because look at that push here. Great, great. Let's take our 1 to 1 and just get out. Now I am on exactly on break even. Let's see if we can push. I set my TP exactly at the 1 to 1. So that's it. We are inside this 15 minutes. So either we should deliver from here. Did I got break even? Nah, I don't think so. No, 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 no. We are not break even yet. But I think we have a great chance that we will get break even because we are inside this 15 minutes. So I put my stop loss, break even, and my TP in this on to exactly for 1 to 1. So let's wait and see. Motherfuckers! Why didn't it field, man? That big field. But TP doesn't trigger, man. What the fuck? Actually, we tapped into the TP, but actually the TP doesn't trigger. What the fuck, man? What was that, man? This is not actually. I got fill here. Actually, the TP is filled perfectly. Man, look at that. The TP was perfect. I am closing it manually on the next time. So let's see. Should I close it? Because the reason. I don't think we should close it because criminal looks over it. Yeah. Yeah. We got filled. Exactly perfect. We got filled. Great. Masala, masala, sala, sakala, masala, sala. Masala, masala, sale, 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 saso, mara. Mula, mala, palo, mara. Pala, mala, paro, mala. Pala, pala. Wow, we pushed to 1:2. Great. But we take a 1-1. Done for the day. $8. $8.5 profit today. So great. Oh man, look at that shit. Actually, what why was done that I yeah I got fill here. My TP my stop loss was here, and my 1-1 was around here. Okay, so when the wick comes, tap into this level. I think that was spread or something. The TP doesn't trigger, so that is why I call that it is not getting filled. But then it look at this. Then it perfectly smashed through a TP. Great. Great trade. Great trade. Great. Delivering from a 4 hour. Look at this. Delivering from a 4 hour. 4 hour refugee. 4 hour refugee. SMDs on this high. 3 minute inversion. And 5 minute. 5 minute fair value gap break even. Uh, on this push, we put in the break even. We didn't on this push up, we didn't got break even, so we got full TP 1-1. Great, $8 profit. Actually, this long looks real good, but only one trade per day. We have our rules and regulations. We should follow that. So this week was 100% win rate. Uh, I think on 11/26. Sorry, yeah, on 2/11 we got a win. 2/11, that is 2/11. Tuesday we got a win. Then we got fourth, fourth got okay. We doesn't trade on Wednesday. We doesn't trade on Monday. We trade on Tuesday and Friday. Friday we got a win. We got two break evens on Thursday. The second break even got run to the TP, but still no problem. So that's it, guys. End of the stream.